Let's build fog from scratch. Start with empty layers. Paint soft gradients using varying opacity. Stack multiple layers with different densities. Erase selectively to carve depth corridors. Introduce temperature shifts, cooler tones and distance, warmer near subjects. Never blur everything. Fog has structure. Finish by darkening edges to frame atmosphere. This method creates cinematic haze without stock assets. You're sculpting air itself.